Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh,
Okay.
oh, man. I think I know what dance I'm going to be doing all summer.
I've never seen a prank be implemented into a dance before. They probably thought he had COVID or something the way he was coughing, or maybe bronchitis. He was just sick with the boogie.
You could see his little brother and his mom quickly go from confusion to just respect.
I'm sure she's really never seen her son kind of hit these moves before. They've probably never witnessed a dance move ever executed so perfectly and so fluidly.
Executed perfectly it was. I mean, I've never seen a guy move so gyroscopically. His head was completely detached from his body, it seems. It was crazy. It looked like it was edited.
Yeah, hope to see him on America's Got Talent very soon.